Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Aveum airdrop, Aveum Network, or Aveum, whichever way you call it. So we are going to look at how to import the contract address. If you're here to start mining this project, locate the link in the video description and start immediately. Aveum has already brought out their listing price, which is 0.214, and the market cap is 21.31 million, while the liquidity is 7.7k dollars. So make sure you position yourself to start mining. I'm going to claim my reward for today, so you click on collect. You're going to click on claim rewards success, so I'm going to click on OK. So I'll click on start hub. This is how you mine every 24 hours. This is how you mine. Make sure you collect your reward every 24 hours. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more of this. So here we have started mining already. So we are going to copy the contract address. To copy the contract address, you have to click on this place that says there's tools. This is where you can copy your contract address. Tap on it. So you are going to open it on Chrome or whichever browser you are using. So over here you can now see that Aveum USDC address listing price is already here. So this is where you can already tackle everything concerning this. So this is where you can now see the market cap 21.31, liquidity, circulation supply is 1 billion, holders is 30, total market cap 24, volume and orders. So if you scroll now, you can now see that they have already brought out the volume, that is 0.2. so scroll. So this is their chart. Now to copy the contract address, this is the Aveum contract address. Locate it here. You can see it's Aveum contract address. Click on this copy icon. You can now copy it. I'll also attach it in the video description so that you can use it copied. So now let's go back. So to import the contract address, we are going to click on this place. This is where you import the contract address. Click on this little arrow here, these two lines. Click on this. Once you click on it, you click on manage crypto. Look at it here. So you are now going to locate this block sign here. Tap on the block sign to add the contract address that we have already copied. So you are going to change this Ethereum for Polygon. The Aveum network is on Polygon network, so you locate Polygon and tap on it. So you are going to paste the contract address that we copied. Locate it in the video description. Immediately you can now see the name has appeared, Aveum, the symbol is Aveum, and the decimal is Aveum, and decimal is 18. Sorry. You are going to click on import. You're going to click on import. Token Aveum successfully added. Now let's go back to the home. Going back to the home, let's search. Can you see the Aveum? Can you see the Aveum here? I've already imported it. So if you want to withdraw, you tap on it here. You copy this address. You click on receive. Click on this receive. Then you copy your address. Copy your address. Copied. So that is what you are going to use for your withdrawal. So for you to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is 50 Aveum. So make sure you have already passed your KYC. The phone number verification is not going through. I've tried it many times, it's not going through. So the only option left for you that will enable you to withdraw is to do your KYC. Make sure you do your KYC. Then to the withdraw, you must have at least 50 Aveum for you to withdraw. You click on it. They said wallet address not found. Then you need to bind your wallet address before you can withdraw. For you to bind your wallet address, you click on this place that says update wallet address. Tap on it. Now you are going to paste it. They say register your MetaMask and Trust wallet here. address to withdraw Aveum token to your wallet. So we are going to paste the address that we imported already. We have imported and copied the address. So I'm going to click on update. Wallet address successfully updated. Can you see my address is here, sitting pretty here? This is my address and it's already sitting here. So once I have minimum of 550 Aveum, I will now use the withdrawal method. But before then, you must make sure you have passed your KYC. So if you have not started mining Aveum, locate the link in the video description. Start immediately. Take advantage of this. Do not waste time. Project that have already given you their listing price, do not joke with it. So if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more. My network is frustrating me, so manage this video. Thank you guys.